yeah, we have a new format of holding satsangs, holding space. It's me, Bosya, my creative partner in the forest. We just found a bone of some animal that was eaten. Pretty amazing. Death and life. Oh, he went to sniff it. Bosya. So, I enjoy this format in the nature. Talking about true nature. True nature must include your human, your creativity, your innocent child within. It must include your whole life. Your whole life must be a reflection of your embodiment of the truth of your being. And honestly, like, I don't know what I'm doing, but I cannot not do what I'm doing, because this energy is so much bigger than anything. There's no I, but this energy is what creates Anna in this moment, instance, speaking to you. And it moves her to create workshops, retreats, online gatherings, heart community, paintings. It's so amazing. And the ability for us to connect just like this, in a click of a button. There you are somewhere in Australia or North America, watching me on the ground in Sweden. Beyond space and time, we meet, yeah, and we resonate at the same level of consciousness. If you see me, there is something in you that created my holographic image in your reality and drew me to you. So whatever you perceive in me that you like or don't like, or you're inspired by, know that it's within you. Yeah. So maybe you like to play like I do. Maybe you would like to be more creative. Maybe you would like to be more colorful. Maybe you just like to feel more alive. To feel that love of life in your bones, in your vessel, and be moved by it divinely. What does it mean to be moved divinely, by divine? It's just, how can I even say about it? It's just unspeakable. Yeah, it's unspeakable. The closest I can say, it's clarity, the openness, being so present that the whole creation, the whole nature moves through you as an inspiration, as an idea, as an energy. You hear? Yeah, well, I wonder who was that. Sorry, that bone keeps looking at me. Like a rabbit? I don't. Sorry. Yeah, come here. Come. Come. You're my little space holder. Angel. And yeah, they are helping me too. They're holding space during my healing sessions. When I have a client coming, whether online or physical, and the whole field opens up. I feel just magical when we surrender to it. All cats gather around me. Yeah, you even know, Yuki. And sometimes they even jump on the client, on the space we're working on the heart or belly, and they start massaging them with their paws. You're so intelligent and you are so divine. They are, like we are. We're not separate from nature, so yes, by the way, I offer one-on-one healing sessions, heart expansion sessions, activation sessions, consciousness expansion sessions, quantum healing, ancestral healing. I don't know how to explain it, but the energy is immense and it's so powerful and it's life changing, and I'm so grateful to be the channel for that. So whether in person you feel called to come to my space or online, I welcome you. And it's something that you just move or feel on a, you just feel it if you're called. It's not about the mind and thinking, so I don't even need to explain to you what happens, because your being knows if I have codes for you, and now I'm transmitting the codes. Everything I've gathered, worked through the years, collected different frequencies, unlocked within myself the keys. It's been transmitted, transpired through my being, through presence when I'm present, through my, through our connection, heart connection in a moment. If you're willing to receive, if you're ready to receive, someone will pass by and not even notice anything. And someone will be so illuminated that their whole being changes. Yeah, I see that from session to session when I meet clients. They're a different being. They're a different energy signature. The same with my art. Just spirit moves me to share my offerings with you because of how powerful they are. The spaces I'm holding and art that I'm creating, it's also energetically changing people and spaces they're in. So if you can just enjoy art watching online, it shares the frequencies too. Or if you would like to come on a journey, I'm leaving that source energy frequency together with your deeper essence self. I'm bringing it forth through the painting when I'm channeling painting for you. Yeah, right now I have, and they are alchemical journeys. Right now I have 3 alchemical art journeys. Our most common one is soul activation art journey. So it's not just a painting. It's a whole journey. We meet together. You contemplate. I share with you frequencies. We activate your essence. And then the painting drops as a vision of your true essence. And then divine union is a new. Well, it's not new, but I finally put it down into words. What is it? It's so much greater and more immense, and I feel it's time. I felt so guided to bring forth this sacred inner marriage energy. It is about truly uniting yourself with yourself. It's about your wholeness, divine union. It's about you being in union within you, with God, with Source, with your inner child, and with your masculine side, feminine side, with your ancestors. And when you are in alignment and in balance within you, the union and love without is just natural. So that's a journey. There are so many activations and frequencies. It's much deeper, and it's also meant maybe for couples. And that, as a result, also will be a painting of your divine union. Yeah. And the third one is a painting of your heaven on earth vision and activating your creative gifts. Your dream life. It's almost like painting the essence of your highest potential life. Yeah. We love you. I wanted to share with you some wisdom and shared my offerings. That's awesome. I also have creative coaching, something I wanted to do for a long time. Yeah. And I'm cheerleading you, inspiring you to do what you love, to create, maybe from the heart, create a business, align you to the abundance within you. So it's all different flavors depending where you are and what resonates with you. And if you just want to come and be in my space, there is a heart circle on Patreon. It's for the price of a cup of coffee, two live webinars, extensive ones, and I'm sharing so generously the energy, the gifts, the activations that you can repeat over and over, and they are all almost like a whole healing session with me. But it's in a group where you also can share and be uplifted by others. It's so much stronger to do it together than on your own, and have someone who is I'm just gonna check the camera works. Yeah. I always had such an amazing teachers. I was so blessed with divine, wise, enlightened beings who were my mentors and teachers, and the healer who I received these transmissions from. Yes, I've never met anyone like that. The depth. So I've always had people who were inspiring me and driving forward, like into my expansion, highest potential. I wouldn't be able to do it on my own. Although, like, I always think that, yeah, I did it on my own, but those people helped me. But I've always was learning from someone and receiving from someone that took me to the next level in my own being. I'm not talking about externals, it will come, but it's all about your depths, to the next level within your depths. How much of the self-discovery you've done, how much of the embodiment you've done, you know? So, and we just have fun with with all the beings that come to me. We just have fun. I mean, not just, also, because my inner child loves to play with your inner child, and we love to play in sandbox and litter box. No, that one's. So I always work on wholeness, which means all parts of you: the true self, the source, the God, the human self, the inner child self, your essence or soul level, and it's all one, yeah? It's all interconnected, and by focusing consciousness on different aspects and bringing it all into wholeness and coherence, like you were Frankenstein with splitting all of those pieces, fragments. It brings all of this fragmentation into wholeness. That's why you'll feel so good down sitting on the ground in the forest, not needing anything else. It feels so good inside. Eternal spring, that you got it already within you, everything. So that's how you're supposed to feel when you feel whole and complete. And whatever happens on the outside, it's like it doesn't have the power to crush you anymore or even move you out of balance. Yeah, it can be little thing, but you're not overtaken by any emotions. You feel it, but it's not affecting you. You know your truth, you know your essence, you know who you are, you know who everyone else is. And that's enough. We love you so much. Every morning, I wake up and I feel so much. It's like my whole being is flooded with love for existence, for you, for everyone, that it overflows. And I keep hearing that my purpose, if there is such a thing, but I keep hearing this. Your purpose is love, is being love. My purpose is being love and bringing it to the world through my unique way. So, if in my proximity you feel love, know that love within you is within you. And I'm here to activate it within you. It's not I'm that person doing it, but it's the whole creation working through magnetic field of my being, activating it within your being, because we're one. I'm just a mirror to your heart, to the love that you are and everyone else is. Yeah. Ah. You're gonna go home, yeah, and create events for you to come be with us, to play and co-create and activate and be the love the sweetness of life. Mm. This looks like a deer almost. Okay. Bosya, you wanna say last words? Hmm. Pur pur, pur pur, pure love. Yeah, pure love. Ah, gosh. Pur pur. Mwah. Mwah. You, all of you, we love you so much. Take care. Till the next time.